Hi everyone. Now we will discuss some more examples from divisibility of numbers. We have seen that divisibility by 10, divisibility by 5 and divisibility by 2 are very easy. Only seeing the ones place numbers we can understand that the number is divisible by 10, 5 or 2. Okay. See, divisibility by 10. See the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7-digit number. Test for divisibility by 10. Test for divisibility by 10. See the ones place number. Ones place number is 0. So we can say that this number is divisible by 10. Okay. No need of doing this. Okay. Just we can see the ones place number. Okay. This is divisible by 10. Next number. Next test is divisibility by 5. We know divisibility by 5 is seeing the ones place number. If it is 0 or 5, we can say that that number is divisible by 5. See an example. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number. See the ones place number. The ones place number is 0. We can say that the number is divisible by 5. Another example. Here also this is a 6-digit number. The ones place number is 5. So we can say that these two numbers are divisible by 5. The condition is the ones place number is 0 or 5. Next. See here divisibility by 2. We have seen that the ones place number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then we can say that the number is divisible by 2. See here 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 0. That means this is a 6-digit number. Ones place is 0. So we can say that this number is divisible by 2. Okay, without doing we can understand that this number is divisible by 2, or we can say that any one. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The ones place numbers, if any numbers ones place number coming 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is divisible by 2. Okay. Next, divisibility by 3. See an example. 1, 0, 0, 8, 6, 2, 7, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number. Check this number divisible by 3 or not. Without doing. What we do? We have seen that the sum of the digits is equals 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4. Just add these digits. Here 1 plus 8, 9, 15, 17, 17 plus 24 plus 4, 28. This sum is 28. Check the sum is divisible by 3 or not. See, the 3 is table. 3 is multiplication table. We know that there is no 28. So we can say that this 28 is not a multiple of 3. Or we can say that this number, how can we read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore. See here, 1 crore 86,274 is not divisible by 3. Without doing, we can. This is very easy. Okay, only check the sum. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then we can say that the number is divisible. But here, this number is not divisible by 3. See one more example. This is a 9-digit number. Check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. See the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus add these numbers. Okay, 3 plus 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, then 36. Here the sum is 36. Just check this 36 is divisible by 3. That means, or we can say that 36 is a multiple of 3 or not. Checking the multiple of 3 means this 36 is divisible by 3 or not. How can we understand this? See, we can do 36 divided 3. We can do it. What is the answer? 12. So we can say that 36 is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Or we can say that this number, this 9-digit number is divisible by 3. Without doing, we can understand. See, how can we read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So, 12 crore, 34 lakh, 56,780 is divisible by 3. See this example. Divisibility by 9. Check this number divisible by 9 or not. Before that we have learned that what is divisibility by 3. Now divisibility by 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number. How can we check it? Just same like divisibility by 3. See the sum of the digits. Sum equals 3 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. Add these numbers. 12, 16, 22, this is 31, 37, 39, then 42. Okay, the sum is 42. Check whether 42 is divisible by 9. That only see. Okay, we are doing this. 42 is divisible by 9. How can we do? 42. Here we can do 9. Can divide or not? See, the 9's table, there is no 42. Okay, after 4 9s are 36, then coming 45. So, here no 42. Okay, here. So, 42 is not divisible by 9. So, we can say that this number means, how can we read? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crore, 94 lakh, 69,623 is not divisible by 9. Okay, only seeing the sum. Sum of the digits is not divisible by 9. So, this number is not divisible by 9. See one more example. Divisibility by 9. Okay, Sum of the digits is equals 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7. Just add the digits. These are the digits. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, 9, 18, 18, then 25. One more. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9, 9, 18, 18 is 18 plus 7 is 25. Okay, please. See one more example. Divisibility by 9. Check the number is divisible by 9 or not. See, this is 7-digit number. 7-digit number. See the sum of the digits. 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 9. Sum equals 2 plus 3, 5, 9, 18. Then what is 27? The sum equals 27. Check 27 is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, we know 27 is divisible by 9. 3 9s are 27. 9's table, we know 3 9s are 27. So, 27 is divisible by 9. So, 27 is divisible by 9. So, this number means how many? 7-digit number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 23 lakh, 499 is divisible by 9. This is the easy method. Without doing, we can understand that how check it. That means how to check the divisibility. Okay. Next, divisibility by 6. See this number. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. Check whether this number is divisible by 6. We have seen that checking the divisibility by 6 is, first we check this number is divisible by 2 or not. Then check this number is divisible by 3. That means checking 2 and 3. First, then we can say that if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, we can say that the number is divisible by 6. Here the number is divisible by 2 because we know that this number is divisible by 2 because the ones place number is 4. Okay, 4. So we can say that the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Then next see this number. Check this number is divisible by 3. How can we do? Sum of the digits. 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4 equals 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 9 is what is? 22. Then 28, 29, 33. 33. We know that 33 is a multiple of 3. 33 is a multiple of 3. So, we can say that 33 is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Or we can say that 33 is divisible by 3. If we are dividing 33 by 3, there is no remainder. Okay. So, we can say that 33 is a multiple of 3. Then, we can say that this number is divisible by 6 because divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Both 2 and divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. We can say that this number is divisible by 6. Okay, see here, divisibility by 4. See an example, 7, 3, 4, 8, 9, 2, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. Check whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. How can we check? We have seen that. See the last 2 digits. ones and tens place numbers. This is 24. Only check these two numbers. These two numbers means 24 is divisible by 4 or not. Or in fourth table, there is either 24. Check it. Yes, what is 6 into 4 equals 24. So we can say that 24 is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 4. Then we can say that this 7-digit number is divisible by 4. You have now just to see how can we do this. 73, okay, 4, 8, 9, 2, 4. Just do it like this. You can understand that how to get. See here 4. Okay. Here what we do, 1, 4, 4, 3, again 33. It is easy. See, then 8 4s are 32, again 1. Okay. See here. Then 4, bring down 4 here. Then in 14, how many 4? 3 4s are 12. Then 2, 8, 28. 7 4s are 28. Then what is 9? 2 4s are 8. Again 1. Then get 2. We know 3 4s are 12. Then here a 4. 1 4s are 4. It is? Okay, you can do it. Then this is the easiest method because only see the what is 2 digits from ones place and tens place. This is 24. Okay, like that you can do. One more question we can do. See this number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. Check the divisibility by 4. Check whether the number is divisible or not. This is the ones place, this is the tens place. So the number is 32. Check 32 is divisible by 4 or not. See, we know very easy. In fourth table 32, how is 8 4s are 32. We know 8 4s are 32. So we can say that this number is divisible by 4. This is the easy method. Okay. Next, divisibility by 8. Check this number. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number. Check whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. Like 4. Like divisibility by 4. How can we do? This is ones, tens, hundreds. Take the 3 places. The number is 431. Check whether the number is divisible by 8. No need of taking the 9-digit number. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. No need of taking together the 8-digit number. Only take the last 3 digits. That is ones, tens, hundreds place number. 431. Check whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. See, 431 divide 8. Then 8. How many? 8s in 43. 5 8s are 40. Then 3 31. 3 8s are 24. That means subtract. 7 is the remainder. Okay. So 431 cannot divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. This number is not divisible by 8 because 431 is not divisible by 8. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, one more example. See an example. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. 8-digit number. See, check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. Here the easiest method is see the 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. The number is 432. Check this number 432 is divisible by 8 or not. See 432, 8. See here 5, 8s are 40, 32, that is 4 8s are 32. The remainder is 0. So we can say that 432 is divisible by 8. So, this number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8-digit number. How can we read this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 8 crore, 64 lakh, 36,432 is divisible by 8. Okay. See here the test for divisibility by 11. This is the last test. Okay. Test for divisibility by 11. See this number. This is a 9-digit number. Check whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. See how can we do? We know, we have seen that. See the even places and odd places. The odd places. Odd places, how can we do? Divisibility by 11. Okay. How can we check the divisibility by 11? See this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-digit number. See this 9-digit number. Easily we can check the number is divisible by 11 or not. See, we know, we have seen that. What we do first? Sum of the even places, sum of the odd places, then difference between the sum. Okay, first sum of the odd places. Odd places. For this, just a number, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, these are the odd places and even places. See the odd places. First, odd places 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So, 6 plus 1 plus, then 3 plus, then 4 plus 3. Once more, 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. These are the odd places. Add it. 7, 10, 14, 17. Then sum of the even places. Sum of the even places equals. Even places are 7, 2, 9, 0. Okay. That is even places 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 0. So these are the numbers. Okay, we numbered here. Okay, so just add it. 9 plus 9, 80. Okay, so sum of the numbers even places and odd places we got. Their difference equals 18 minus 17 equals 1. The difference is 1. If the difference getting 0 or multiple of 11, then only we can say that the number is divisible by 11. So we can say that the number is not divisible by 11. This number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Next see one example. See one more example. This is 9-digit number. See here, this number is divisible by 11 or not. Check. How can we do? See, first we are doing the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These are the numbers we put here. See, this is easily getting the even places and odd places. See the sum of odd places. Sum of odd places equals, odd places means odd place numbers. Here 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Add it. 6 plus 1, 7, 9, 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. Here 21. Then sum of even places equals sum of even places. Here even places are, listen, 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, add this. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Then the difference. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Difference is equals 21 minus 10 equals 11. Difference is 11, so we can say that this number is divisible by 11 because the difference getting 11, that is multiple of 11 or 0. 11 is a multiple of 11. So, we can say that the number is divisible by, this number is divisible by 11.